The business of anti-aging science is an ever-growing industry. Many pharmaceutical companies are working on this industry with different therapeutic approaches. Come on, let's see in detail. This is Soumya's capsules enriched with knowledge. Aging is the process of becoming older. It can be defined as a progressive deterioration of physiological function accompanied by an increase in vulnerability and mortality. The leading cause of death worldwide are age-related diseases like cancer, cardiovascular diseases, chronic lower respiratory diseases, and neurodegenerative diseases. There is a strong relationship between the aging process and the age-related disease. The biology of aging and its impact on health and disease is referred to as geroscience. Now, we know that it is possible to retard aging in animal models. Various genetic, dietary and pharmacological intervention have been shown to increase lifespan in short-lived model organisms like yeast, worm, killifish, mice and rats. Tenfold increase in lifespan is the current record. More than that, the life-extending interventions not only increase longevity but can retard the onset of age-related disease, resulting in the extension of health span. Many biotechnology companies are working on anti-aging science with different therapeutic approaches. Let us see some of them. Prana Biotechnology, founded in the year 1997 and its headquarters in Melbourne, Australia. Their therapeutic approach is to develop therapies for neurodegenerative diseases. Biotech, founded in the year 1998 and its headquarters in Turku, Western Finland, their therapeutic approach is to develop therapies against neurodegenerative diseases. Juvenon, founded in the year 1999 and its headquarters in USA, they developed a product namely Juvenon, an oxidative stress reducer using alpha lipoic acid and acetyl L-carnitine as main ingredient. Feeding rats with this Juvenon leads to a decline in oxidative stress and DNA damage. This improved the memory and movement in rats. Antoxis, a company in UK founded in the year 2005, their therapeutic approach is based on antioxidants. Antioxidants play a major role in aging, and Antoxis design and synthesize therapeutic antioxidants. Replicell Life Sciences, established in the year 2006 with its headquarters in Canada, they develop regeneration-based therapies. Thus, they focus on regenerative medicine to treat injured tendons, pattern baldness, skin damaged by sun and age. Retrotrop, established in the year 2006 and its headquarters in Los Altos, California, human cells are continuously damaged by oxidative stress that is driven by lipid peroxidation. The resulting cellular degeneration contributes to a wide array of devastating degenerative diseases. Retrotrop is developing a pipeline of proprietary therapeutics designed to treat degenerative diseases by down-regulating lipid peroxidation in order to protect against cellular degeneration. Their first product candidate is RT001 with stabilized linoleic acid. Another one is RT011 with stabilized docosahexaenoic acid. Both products are under different phases of preclinical studies. GeneScient is a new generation biotechnology company founded in the year 2006 and its headquarters is in California, USA. GeneScient combines evolutionary genomics with massive selective screening to analyze and exploit the genetics of long-lived model animals and human whole genomes. Their goal is to translate these findings into human targets by developing nutrigenomics-based therapies and nutraceuticals for chronic age-related diseases. Their proprietary combination of 4 herbal extracts had mixed results in extending lifespans in flies with greater effects on stressed flies. Proteostasis Therapeutics, established in the year 2007 with its headquarters in Boston, their therapeutic approach is based on the control of protein homeostasis. Protein homeostasis is important during aging and has led to the creation of proteostasis therapeutics. This aims to develop drugs that control body's protein homeostasis and thereby developing therapies against genetic and degenerative diseases, including several age-related diseases. Everon Biosciences, established in the year 2009 with its headquarters in US, they focuses on samolytic agent. Ziva Therapeutics focuses on developing antibodies against senescent cell markers capable of identifying and removing senescent cells. Telomere shortening as well as various stressors can cause proliferating cells to stop dividing and enter a pro-inflammatory senescent state. There is evidence that senescent cells accumulates with age, at least in some tissues. In a landmark study, drug-induced clearance of senescent cells extended the median lifespan in 2 normal strains of mice by 24 to 27%, although the maximum lifespan was increased in only 1 strain. Tumorigenesis and age-related deterioration of heart and kidney were delayed or slowed. Unity Biotechnology, a company working with this therapeutic approach. The Buck Institute for Research on Aging, California, US, has raised $116 million from investors, including Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, to develop senolytic treatment. They have focused on senolytic agents, including the killing of senescent fibroblasts with piperlongumine and ABT-268. Interestingly, they have also acquired a patent related to senescent cell antibody for imaging and delivery of therapeutic agents. Other companies focusing on senolytic agents include Oisin Biotechnology, founded in the year 2014. According to their website, they seems to be developing a genetically targeted intervention to clear senescent cells, a gene therapy based senescent cell clearance. Their approach is different than Unity Biotechnology. Kochbar is a company established in the year 2009 in US, and it is a clinical stage biotechnology company exploiting the power of mitochondria and its encoded protein to develop potential breakthrough therapeutics targeting chronic and age-related diseases. L-Nutra, founded in the year 2009 with its headquarters in California, their approach is fasting mimetic diet. Calorific restriction is the most studied approach. It increases both health and lifespan, but a calorific restriction diet is too harsh for most people. So, intermittent fasting has been proposed as an alternative. Based on this approach, L-Nutra created to develop and market a proprietary fasting mimetic meal designed to provide the beneficial effects of intermittent fasting. Their first formulation, Prolon, comprises 5 days of meals which is to be taken every 1 to 6 months. In a registered randomized 38% clinical trials, Prolon was shown to reduce weight and abdominal fat and maintain healthy levels of blood glucose, C-reactive proteins and insulin-like growth factors. 1. Kronos Therapeutics, founded in the year 2009 with its headquarters in USA, they focuses on neurodegeneration specific age-related diseases. They patented the use of fugimycin, an already FDA-approved immunosuppressive drug for the treatment of eczema and organ transplantation. And these were used to treat disorders related to cellular lifespan, which include many age-related diseases such as cardiovascular diseases, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease and osteoporosis. Androcyte, established in the year 2011, their therapeutic approach is taking the advantage of supercentenarians. Supercentenarians are individuals over 110 years of age. First, they identify the unique determinants of these human longevity, and after that it may be targeted pharmacologically. Human Longevity Incorporated, established in the year 2013 in US, HLI aims to create the largest database of integrated high-throughput assays, genotype, transcripts and microbiomes data, along with deep phenotypic data on patients to fully map genotype to phenotype to inform healthcare in general. Calico, established in the year 2013 and its headquarters in US. It is one of Google's Moonshoots projects. Calico is attempting to harness big data to improve understanding of the basic biology that controls lifespan. Navitor Pharmaceuticals, founded in the year 2014 with its headquarters in US, in a small but groundbreaking clinical trial by Novartis, rapamycin improved the immune function in elderly volunteers. Because rapamycin have various side effects, companies and laboratories are trying to develop safer analogs known as rapalogs. Navitor Pharmaceutical focuses on TOR pathway and they aim to treat diseases of aging through selective regulation of the mTOR pathway. Mount Tam Biotechnology, founded in the year 2014 and its headquarters in US, they also focuses on rapalogs. In silico medicine, founded in the year 2014 and its headquarters in New York, US, their therapeutic approach is to identify existing drugs affecting age-related gene pathways. Elysium Health, founded in the year 2014 and its headquarters in US, Elysium is a high-profile DTC company. They sell its Basis pill directly to consumers. Basis contains an NAD+ precursor, nicotinamide riboside, that declines with age and it is required for sirtuin activity. The systemic decline of NAD+ with age is a possible cause of age-associated changes in sirtuin activity in both the nucleus and mitochondria, with resulting age-associated dysfunction and pathologies. In addition to its role in redox reactions, NAD+ is an important substrate of several enzymes. Elysium had already concluded a pre-registered 2-month randomized double-blind phase 1 trial for Basis using 120 healthy 60 to 80 years old people. Company claims that participants' blood NAD+ levels were increased by 40% for duration of the second month. However, the report did not mention the results for health measures such as lipid profile, physiological performance, or sleep quality. Alka-Hest, established in the year 2014 with its headquarters in US, their therapeutic approach is to use young blood. Parabiosis in biology is the joining of two animal circulatory systems. In a series of studies starting in 1950, it was observed that the elder of the pair exhibited better longevity and tissue function, whereas young mice exposed to old plasma showed a decrease. Further, aged mice given young plasma showed improvement in age-related decline in hippocampus-dependent learning and memory. However, 10 to 12-month-old female mice, a strain with normal longevity, injected weekly with young plasma did not show increased lifespan. More recently, using a blood device to exchange blood between young and old mice, one old mice exhibited improved hepatogenesis and response to muscle injury, while young animals showed no response in injury responses and worsened hepatogenesis. Additionally, young human blood has been shown to revitalize brain function in old mice. Alka-Hest uses the effect of young plasma as a treatment for Alzheimer's. Telocide, founded in the year 2015, and they are working on telomerase activation for Alzheimer's disease. Telomeres are the protein bone structures at the end of the chromosomes, and telomeres shorten with cell division, at least in some tissues with age. Although genetic manipulations of telomerase in mice have yielded conflicting results. One study found that overexpression of telomerase in adult mice led to a 24% increase in median lifespan while not increasing the incidence of cancer. Therefore, the idea of activating telomerase as anti-aging remains a powerful one. One notable company working on telomerase activation, Sera Science, which claims to have screened 250,000 compounds. Grifols, the largest plasma-based manufacturer worldwide, has invested millions of USD in alcohols to develop and sell alcohols plasma-based products. Ambrosia, another company, was established to run a clinical trial on anti-aging benefits of young blood. Restore Bio, established in the year 2017, developed immunosenescence drugs. Even though a growing number of companies are focusing on anti-aging science, the success rate is very limited. Numerous challenges are there. The first one is that humans are not huge worms or big mice. The finding from short-lived model organisms, particularly in terms of the plasticity of aging, have been a major breakthrough in this field, but the degree to which they are relevant to humans is unknown. Human homologs of genes associated with aging in model organisms have been associated with human longevity in some cases, but these are rare, and thus our understanding of the genetic basis of human longevity remains largely unknown. Most findings from short-lived model organisms will not be relevant to human beings. Anti-aging science now focus on young blood therapies, senescent cell ablation, and DTC diet and nutraceuticals. Senolytic drugs and young blood promise rejuvenation. From a validation perspective, these approaches are less challenging and hence these are more attractive approaches for commercial exploitation. Therefore, developing interventions that reverse at least some aspects of aging is more powerful translational path than trying to slow aging. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with more interesting scientific facts. And this is Soumya's capsules enriched with knowledge.